Hello friends, welcome to our channel JVHM Kolkata. In the process of bringing you Meeting the Expert series, we again brought you an expert today who is from the hotel management background, but he has diversified his career, which shows the extent of hospitality industry, how diversified it is, how beautifully it can be relocated to other careers also. I have pleasure to introduce to you Mr. Induri Chatterjee, who is a national level mixologist. He is awarded with many national level awards in this field, and you will glad to know he started with a very humble beginning. He started with a hotel management course, then he diversified and moved to a national level figure in this industry with his sheer determination and hard work. So, any student, it will be a motivational story because he started where somebody of you might be starting today. So, presenting you Mr. Induri Chatterjee sir, welcome to our channel. Thank you. It's a pleasure. It's a pleasure to us. Also, it will be a motivational story to our students.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
So sir, to be start with for the benefit of our audience, थोड़ा सा मैं हिंदी में स्टार्ट करना चाहूँगा आपकी जर्नी के बारे में.
I already crossed my career level of 16 plus year in the industry. So I started मैंने आज से 16 साल पहले start किया था Institute of Management, a professional training institute. It was not very big, very small diploma course I have done from there, and of course there is no practical session for the student. So whatever I am today, I gathered everything from my practical journey. जो भी सीखा मेरा सीनियर से, जितना भी कॉलेज था सीनियर था, definitely grateful that I learned and that I am in this position now. And I started my hotel career from the hotel colony last year, reporting very reputably in the market. So that was the journey I started. My training started from there. Then I got a job offer from there also with the maternity ward, and I shifted from Grain of Salt to another restaurant. Just say I have worked for non-Bengal and Bhubaneswar and Assam for some time. And then again in 2010 I back to Kolkata. Started work from IBC. Onwards worked American brand for Chili's, PGI. I worked for them. Then I work for a national brand called Massive Restaurant Private Limited. Papaya restaurant name. So I work there as a bar manager, restaurant assistant manager, restaurant manager. Then I shifted from there to the different industry called brand ambassador of the company or brand economy.
So previously you were with the service industry.
That was F&B service, food and beverage service of the industry, which is well known, and we always prefer to be there as an F&B guy. So that was background. उधर से मैंने start किया.
अभी now आपने move करके थोड़ा marketing में brand management.
Yeah, exactly. You can say this is a part of marketing, of course, but definitely very interesting job. When I 2022 July I got an offer. दो तीन अलग अलग कंपनी से मेरे पास ऑफर आ रहा था कि प्लीज come and join with us and for a trainer as a brand trainer, brand developer. So then I took the opportunity. There's a brand called Marindia under Food Service India in Bombay office. So I joined there as a mixologist of Eastern Zone. So that was the first switch up from the F&B background to the brand development. So again, a very good focus area because I work for East Zone, and it is not only the Kolkata. So मैंने पूरा East का जितना भी state है, so I started traveling all the state. It was a great benefit for me to know each and every people from different state. It's not only in the hotels. So when I came into the industry, then I got to know what is the benefit actually. क्या क्या हो सकता है, क्या सीख सकता है. That was challenging, of course challenging. That was a risk क्योंकि I'm specialized in F&B, I'm manager. I'm specialized in service. Then how come I be there in the market and talk to the guests, talk to the different people, and not only the hotel, but when you're in this industry, you have to be with a lot of retail people, retail shops and all, shop owner and all. But how do you convince them about your product? how do you train them about your product? Because होटल इंडस्ट्री में रह के एक होटल मैनेजर को या असिस्टेंट मैनेजर को या होटल पीपल जो भी टीम मेंबर्स है उनको ट्रेन करना थोड़ा सा इजी होता है बिकॉज दे आर always into this matter day and night into the service and all this thing. They are into the knowledge. But when you train somebody who are not from the industry, or you want to give the knowledge from the industry, ये थोड़ा सा चैलेंजिंग होता है बट इंटरेस्टिंग भी होता है क्योंकि आप किसी को बीच से सिखा मिडिल ऑफ द करियर यू आर टीचिंग समथिंग क्या वो आधा जानता है आधा सिखाना है और यू आर टीचिंग समबडी हु डोंट नो एनीथिंग फ्रॉम द जीरो so that is more interesting I thought I can start from zero to 1 2 3 4 all this so that step by step I can go rather than going from the middle. So again that was good opportunity and from there that was a non-alcoholic brand I was working for Submarine. And from there, my focus point and my specialization out of the alcoholic beverage. Though it's really risky, alcoholic beverage is something different. But still, my focus point, my the interesting area in that. So then, definitely, I was looking for a good change, and I got the company I'm working now, so they are the oldest company in Kolkata, and the owner is Evergreen. So they got the opportunity. Rather, I am lucky that I'm working with him now because we have a huge portfolio, 120 brands. We have out of that 2 brands there with me. So to work for a one brand and to work for a versatile brand is definitely there's a बोलो ना समुंदर में अंदर गिर जाना है क्या हाँ क्या सीखना है every day new brand to learn. So that's again still I'm doing that's an interesting job.
It's really good to know that you are into the brand management. वो क्या चीज था जो होटल मैनेजमेंट हॉस्पिटैलिटी में जो आपने सीखा इसका डायरेक्ट एप्लीकेशन हो गया दिस पीपल मैनेजमेंट तो शायद आप वहाँ भी पीपल की अच्छे से मैनेज कर
See what I learned from my immediate seniors when I started in industry तब से एक चीज था कुछ सीनियर तक मतलब always give you the right path to go. They always say everything is knowledgeable for you. Everything, whatever you are step into the industry, आपके सामने जो भी आ रहे हैं, maybe a small thing, maybe a Pepsi bottle, a Coca-Cola bottle, you can learn a lot of things from that particular bottle. No, it's not that I only having Coca-Cola, but what is Coca-Cola in your hand? It's not that I'm having sugar, but what is sugar actually in your hand? So that particular knowledge मेरे को एकदम अंदर में दे दिया था मेरा सीनियर ने जब मैं दुनिया कि तुमको अगर जानना है 10 चीज मत सीखो एक चीज सीखो लेकिन उसका अंदर कर सीखो. So that was a kind of a things which I always follow till date के मेरे को एक चीज जानना है 10 जानना है लेकिन जो जानूंगा वो अंदर कर लूंगा. So that was a very interesting part I always follow and definitely the industry taught me a lot of discipline. That is the main part when I still follow till date. The discipline and the behavior is the one part. And if you say क्या सीखा और एक चीज important that is a communication. What I got, to communicate every day different people. आज मैं सारा दिन में रेस्टोरेंट में या बाहर में काम करते हैं 50 आदमी से मिला 50 different mentalities I'm talking to today. That particular things different communication, 50 different communications, 50 different topic to discuss. उससे और सीखा कि हाँ what is actual communication to do. वो मेरे को अभी भी गाइड करता है. मैं अगर जाऊँगा किसी कहीं पे जा रहा हूँ मीटिंग के लिए I need to know the nature of the meeting place first. कि मैं जहाँ पे जा रहा हूँ हो सकता है कि छोटा जाएगा लेकिन उसका to know about that place is very important. उसका क्या nature है so that I can do some homework about that. Right? So ये homework is helping me to know or go or ask something कि क्या हो सकता है कि नहीं. So that is quite interesting part like determination, discipline, communication. And of course, knowledge is one of the biggest part which everybody require for the industry. Every day to learn something, to know something. Not only my knowledge, what I am focused to. Like my focus is alcohol beverage. My focus is 120 brands. It's not that. Above 120 brands, there is a more 1000 brands. So at least if you don't want to deep dive on that 120 brands, but आपको at least उसका बारे में one liner या two liner जानना जरूरी होता है कि और क्या है. After that also your general knowledge to read, कभी-कभी time नहीं मिलता कि to read the whole newspaper, but we have enough time to read the highlight, at least the headlines from the. So that's again I'm follow one of the particular things we did.
The one thing which I found in the previous podcast also, जो हमने पिछले दौर जो भी industry experts अभी भी अपने high point पे, one thing is common, they haven't stopped their learning.
No.
So it's a real catch for the student also. His learning is ongoing.
Of course, because I have to grow. So for grow, I have to learn. So I'm telling you a small very example like if I'm making my home, आज मेरा पसंद है मैं घर बना लिया या फ्लैट बना लिया. So people आदमी सोचता है कि चलो घर बना लिया, I have achieved something. लेकिन वो घर बनाने के बाद how to decorate your home, that is a day-to-day matter. So I got the position to work for this. लेकिन how to furnish myself with the knowledge, that's again a day-to-day process. So that's not stopping anywhere. Like आज मेरे को लगता है कि मैं सब कुछ बना लिया है घर में. Maybe tomorrow when I'm checking Amazon, I find something good which is suitable for my table. I can again buy something. चलो ये ले लेता है घर में इधर में सूट हो जाए. कल वो ले लेता है घर में इधर में लग जाए. ये रैक लेता है, ये वुडन रैक लेता है. कभी ना कभी कुछ ना कुछ आ ही जाता है. Maybe it's not a constant for a day, but it's definitely maybe quarterly or yearly or half yearly. You always want to buy something for my home or something. So there is no stop that मैं घर खरीद लिया. But how to furnish the home, that is again a big point.
But today's podcast, honestly speaking, हम लोगों ने कोई preparation नहीं की. Generally हम लोग homework करते हैं.
Right.
But thought to flow to come out from expert like you, we should go as a novice. तो हमने कोई preparation नहीं किया. Just आज हम लोग आपसे zero level से ही सीखने आए. So thing is that पहले जाना चाहूँगा जब आपने फिल्म का करियर स्टार्ट किया, when did you bar at this segment attracted you?
See, it is again a good story. When I joined Aster, like my training time. So there is a restaurant, very famous restaurant. Till now it's famous called Kebab-A-Q.
Yes.
Kebab-A-Q is a very famous restaurant in Aster because guests are the best kebab in the country. So and that particular Kebab-A-Q restaurant, they have an attached bar called Cheers.
Yes.
So there was a small dispense door.
I have once
Visited there. So there is a small dispense door where the bar people dispense the drinks for the restaurant.
Yes.
वो उधर से drinks बना के restaurant का order supply करता था. So that was a particular attractive point for me कि उधर में क्या होता है. So whenever I got time, because I am training, I am not allowed to go everywhere. तो कभी भी मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता तो मैं दौड़ते था उधर में क्या हो रहा है. थोड़ा सा झपके के देखा तो अंदर में people are laughing, enjoying, the light is little dim, enjoying the match and all, and just other side of the world, people are just concentrated, they are having food and all, which is quite boring for me. Like आ जाता है टेबल में बैठ जाता है, फिर ऑर्डर करता है, फिर कबाब आता है, फिर knife and fork, sound is coming out, ठीक है. But the other part, the people are enjoying, having drinks, laughing, watching match. So that was quite vibrant, and that was a time when still मेरे को लगा कि नहीं इसके अंदर में कुछ है, सीखने का कुछ है. So I requested my senior को देखा अभी कोई वैकेंसी नहीं है, आपको वेट long. मौका मिलेगा तो we will try to get it, but you have to show your interest. So what kind of interest? उनका कुछ सामान चाहिए तो मैं लाके दूंगा. मैं खुद जाके बोलता था अभी कुछ जरूरत है मेरे को बोलता था मैं लाके दूंगा. So in between my own work, I always searching something कि मेरे को थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलेगा मैं जाके उनको हेल्प कर दूंगा. Because I want to show the interest कि I want to come down inside that. So एक दिन ऐसे ही around after 20-25 days of joining the industry, I got an opportunity. मेरा मैनेजर बोला कि आप बहुत देर से दिमाग खा रहा है, बाहर में जाना है. He was a सरदार guy, so he said कि बहुत हो गया, चल कल से तू बाहर में नहीं बोलेगा. उधर में एक ट्रेनिंग बंदा था, उसका ट्रेनिंग खत्म हो गया, so you be in the bar tomorrow. So that was the biggest day, I think. That was a changing in my life. From the water to the alcohol, of course, serving water and directly to the alcohol, but definitely it was a great opportunity for me. I always thankful to the manager that he gave me the opportunity to go inside, and definitely the life started from there. And my seniors, I definitely named even Mr. Kuntal Bhattacharya, Mr. Hansaraj, Mr. Santu. They have guided me a lot to be in the एक बॉटल के लिए मैं तो स्केल से पीता था कि इसका लेवल करो और तब मैं पूरे शाम को पीऊंगा. सो दैट वाज हैपेनिंग इन बिटवीन माय स्टडी. जब मेरा स्टडी चल रहा था, मेरा क्लास भी चल रहा था, लेकिन आई सो दैट वाज द अट्रैक्टिव पार्ट. फ्रॉम देयर अनदर स्टोरी स्टार्टेड. उसका ही और एक नाइट क्लब था कॉल्ड क्लाउड 9. इट वाज द बिगेस्ट नाइट क्लब इन कैलकाटा. एवरी डे द सेलिब्रिटीज आल्सो कम टू बंगाली. तो फर्स्ट टाइम फॉर मी के सामने मैं देख रहा हूँ कोई एक्ट्रेस आ रहा है, एक्टर आ रहा है। Again, I requested the bar manager to the night club. टाइम मिलेगा तो नहीं, ignored, denied. Then another opportunity come कि हाँ मिल सकता है, तुम्हें काम करना, तुम्हारा काम कितना बजे खत्म होगा? तो आपको 12 बजे खत्म, ठीक है, 12 से 4 बजे तक तुम लॉकर में सो जाना। नाइट क्लब 4 बजे बंद होता है, तुमको 4 बजे के बाद हम बुलाएंगे। If you want to learn something, come at 4 o'clock. So हम लॉकर में सोना शुरू कर दिया, घर जाना बंद कर दिया। And from locker they called me about 4 o'clock. मैं जाता था, तो they have given me कि एक काम करना, तुमको फ्रिज में जितना बियर था, because in the bar we have a daily inventory. That's a process. कि कितना drinks गया as per the system, कितना sale हुआ. You have to count everything because it's under the excise law. So then they said कि चलो जितना भी बियर्स है बाहर फ्रिज से निकल के काउंट करो और फ्रिज को साफा करो। टुडे आज 2 फ्रिज साफा करोगे, तुमको 3 रेसिपी मिलेगी। So again I started doing that. 3 फ्रिज साफा कर दिया, बियर काउंट कर दिया, 3 रेसिपी मेरे को काउंट। ऐसे ही करके फिर I got a favorite for them कि आप ये बंदा बहुत अच्छा है, ऐसे देखा था तो they called me, come and work for them. So that was the second opportunity. I've been to the nightclub, high energy bar. How to handle that crowd, drinks देना, एक हाथ में drinks दो, एक हाथ में पैसा लो, किसी का drinks counting में रखना, दिमाग में रखना, how to handle the 50 people drink in your mind, कौन क्या पी रहा है, वो लोग सुनाई नहीं देता, इतना साउंड है, तो they just हाथ निकाल के खाली ग्लास देता है, you have to remember कि उनको क्या ड्रिंक लास्ट टाइम किया था, to do the same drinks. So that second, वो कोशिश जारी रखना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि आई नीड टू डू, मेरे को करना है, बिकॉज दैट वाज माय एम। मेरे को करना था कि मैं होटल मैनेजमेंट किया हूँ, जितना भी पढ़ाई किया 6 महीना 8 महीना 10 महीना, दिस इज माय ब्रेड एंड बटर टू बी। वो अंदर में लेना कि मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ, मैं खर्चा कर रहा हूँ इसके पीछे टू डू समथिंग इन फ्यूचर। इट्स नॉट दैट इसके बाद फिर मैं और एक करूँगा, फिर देयर इज नो वैल्यू, उसके बाद आप और एक कर सकते हो, कुछ भी कर सकते हो, यू कैन डाइवर्सिफाई एनीथिंग। बट अगर वो मन में रहेगा कि मेरे को होटल इंडस्ट्री में, so I determined that मेरे को इसी इंडस्ट्री में चलना। The reason I always follow and till now, till today, whatever I am, every day आधा घंटा 1 घंटे के लिए, अभी तो गूगल आ गया है, so everything आधा घंटा 1 घंटे के लिए गूगल YouTube and 1 hour for the book. No, so that was daily job.
How tough was initial when you started light bar में कैसे आपने learn किया, कैसे achieved?
Yeah, that was again a challenging part. ऐसा नहीं कि होता नहीं था, of course पहले ऐसा होता है कि अगर आप कुछ बिलिंग मिस कर जाओगे तो you have to pay from your pocket. So उस टाइम में भी मेरा सीनियर लोग मेरे को पेमेंट करने नहीं दिया, they from their packet they paid actually, वो लोग ने पूरा तरफ से पेमेंट कर दिया। And it was again ऐसे नहीं कि पहला जाने के बाद ही मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिला to serve the drinks. I have to be the bar back. मेरे को खड़ा रहना था, देखना था, उनका हाथों में सामान देना था, ये दे दो, वो दे दो, ये दे दो। ऐसे करते करते whenever you get little time, then you be interact with the guest, and I became a favorite to the guest कि ये बहुत attractive बंदा है। उस टाइम I started a flair juggling and all these things which I learned from this area. So वो लोग क्या करता था, ठीक है तू हम लोग ड्रिंक दे रहा तो पीछे खड़ा होकर फ्लेयरिंग कर, so people can attract to them. That was the time again, one by one, step by step, I went to the front bar and got to the favorite.
So for the would-be bartenders for the profession, just finished the FFP service, wanted to start bartending as a profession, what would be your take-home message for specifically for the bartending person?
First of all, I'm telling you, the bartender or mixologist, bar managers or assistant bar managers or trainee bartender, these are the designations you fall in the beverage. But it's very interesting and very demanding job right now. So I myself in today sitting in the interview looking for a 20 bartenders for tomorrow. It's a very true fact. आपने मेरे को मतलब 20 bartenders in different places, there's a demand. Kolkata and India market definitely there is a demand. पहले ऐसा नहीं था कि इतना attractive नहीं था. उस टाइम में 1-2 competitions होता था. There's around 10-12 different competitions happening. So you can always present yourself in the national level, in the national figure. सीखने को मिलेगा बहुत कुछ, and this is more of charming job to the people. When you into the F&B industry, somebody choose already. मैं किसी को नहीं बोलूँगा कि आप front office में काम करो, उधर से divorce करके बाहर में आ जाओ. because of there is a demand and all. But जो लोग already F&B में काम कर रहे हैं, they are those who are interested, बाहर में करना चाहते हैं, without any hesitation, please go ahead, because there is a high demand and you will be focused like anything in the bar. When you, of course, end of the day, your interest should be there, your 200% interest, not even 100%. The knowledge you are increasing yourself, that you should do from your own. ऐसा नहीं कि एवरीडे कोई आके तुमको पोक करेगा, आज तुमने ये पढ़ा, आज तुमने ये सीखा, ऐसा नहीं। तुमको खुद को क्वेश्चन करना कि आज मैंने क्या सीखा, या तो आस्क योर ओन थिंग, एवरीडे कि आज मैं जा रहा हूँ, इट्स नॉट अ रेगुलर डे, आई हैव लर्न समथिंग। तो आज के लिए जैसे एवरीडे आई हैव सम पॉइंट कि आज मैं कुछ तो सीखा। It's not from only Google or YouTube, it's from your colleague, it's from maybe from your juniors. When you discuss a lot of things, you discuss about the knowledge, discuss about the products, something come up. So there is opportunity, lot of opportunities in there.
Of course. So from the outcome of a discussion, I get pointed out that if one wanted to become a bartender, there should be proactive,
Of course,
knowledgeable, and disciplined.
This is the key points of this. This is the key, because when you behind the bar, you should be active and charming. People are always looking for someone in the bar. They should be charming, interactive. You know, in a other way, if you can say, when you become a good bartender, single ladies also come and talk to you. Attractive. It's a funny way different parts of the industry. But true, you know, that is again an attractive part. Of course, somebody is coming to meet with me and having a drink, and you know, मेरा हाथ से उनको drink पीना है. There's a lot of guests they want to have drinks only, you know, when I'm behind the bar. So when somebody is behind the bar, some special bartenders behind the bar, they always go. ये आज इधर में जा रहा है bar में, so I always go to have drinks on. So that is again a part.
Some emotional attachment happens.
Emotional attachment, good friendship. You can say good friendship will happen. You know, a lot of you know, things can happen over a peg of alcohol, not coffee, of course.
It's a very deep-rooted, it's a very simplified presented,
Yeah.
but a deep-rooted philosophy is there.
Yeah,
Good communication always have
Yes,
some
yes.
liquid goes in.
True. Very true.
So you said that we can say that bartenders tends to become good communicator when
Very true, because you are the only person when you work for the F&B industry in the restaurants. So you are allocated for some area. You know, एक restaurant में क्या होता है ना, उनका station अलग-अलग होता है, station 1, station 2, station 3, or section 1, section 2, section 3. So today, as soon as I enter in the duty, restaurant manager या restaurant manager और एक steward और waiter, तो उनको क्या कहते हैं कि तुम्हारा आज allocation होता है कि section number 2 में. तो section number 2 में आपका 5 table है, you are allocated. So I'm not demotivating anyone, just telling you the fact. But when you behind the bar, so you are allocated for all the bar. So you are allocated, not only allocated for that particular corner, you are allocated for everyone who is, you are responsible. You are responsible, allocated for all the people who are inside the bar premises. So you can go, communicate, talk, make your new friends. In the end of the day, again, this is all because of the business. So as soon as you make someone, your friends, your close, your followers, you can sell more. End of the day, your restaurants, your food, your beverage, everything, like we are the salesman. Everything just because to sales. You know, मेरे को sell करना है. आज तुमने कितना sell किया? It's not the target like a salesman, but of course you are there for the sales. You are there for the product. So people know you just because of that. People are coming in to have the food or coming in to have the drinks. Otherwise, तुम रास्ते से पैदल चल रहे हो, nobody knows you. Till that time, you are not making yourself on that way.
going to the second level, what is the difference between a bartender and a mixologist?
Yes, a bartender, a mixologist, of course, there's a huge difference nowadays. Previously, everybody was bartender. A mixologist means, you can say a party of scientists now. So, a mixologist can do a lot of things behind the bar with the effect of a science. A bartender is, you can be there in the bar, you can pour the drinks, you can do the needful of the admin job in the bar. To become a mixologist, you should be well knowledgeable about the product and to mixing product to one to another. Maybe presently the people are making cocktail from the liquid form to the solid form. So there's a lot of gastronomical cocktails going on. So there's a lot of instant your infusing process going on. So these are things you only know when you want to be a chemist behind bar. So you should be on that level knowledgeable.
So before presenting to that new thing, you generally practice it.
Yeah, practice, knowledge, follow. Now the process is very easy. If you can follow the world bartenders through your Instagram, Twitter, your Facebook profile. So a lot of things we can get in India. मिलता नहीं है, सामान या इंस्ट्रूमेंट मिलता नहीं है, raw materials मिलता नहीं है. But if you follow constantly the world bartenders, you definitely find a substitute way to make the same things. Maybe not exactly the same one, but you can always create something on your own, which is a mixologist's work. Curate something on the bar in a beautiful way, in presentation. So that's definitely you need to follow. You need to be, पहले सब नहीं था follow करने का नहीं था. Only to be bookish knowledge and all. Now you can always check everything in the practical, visually in front of you. It's very easy to focus or easy to learn. मेरे को कोई भी बोल दिया कि आज फोन में कि बंदा मेरे को ऐसा चाहिए जो मैं नहीं जानता कि मेरे को एक सूट प्रोसेस चाहिए, तो मैं फोन में बात करते करते मैं लैपटॉप में सर्च कर सकता हूँ व्हाट इज दिस इज टॉकिंग अबाउट. So it's very easy to go forward.
And the next thing is that how you finding the different markets is for you. How West Bengal market is different from Northeast or others. How the market is different from Bihar or Jharkhand. So how?
See, generally Kolkata definitely is a key place for a beverage in West Bengal, and we always compare Kolkata to the Bangalore, Delhi, Bombay. So if you compare these three places, definitely we are way behind. Kolkata, utna bhi ucha nahi. Because of the maybe some infrastructure, you can say, because of availability of the product, which is not easily available in Kolkata. मेरे को कुछ भी बनाना है, कुछ अच्छा कॉकटेल रेडी करना है, उसके लिए जो इंग्रेडिएंट्स मेरे को चाहिए, maybe some important fruits, maybe some important caviar we can ask for. This of Calcutta में easily नहीं मिलता है. When you ask these all ingredients from the outside Calcutta or outside India, it definitely become a very cost things. जो lot of bar in Calcutta which is not allowed कि cost ज़्यादा मत बढ़ाओ, cost ज़्यादा बढ़ जाएगा. फिर cocktail का price बदल. The cocktail in Delhi and Bombay they are selling around 900,000. If you are to sell the same cocktail here at 900,000, nobody will respond. So the culture of the cocktails is little back from the other cities. Regarding the pricing, you can say the cocktail mentality, you can say the Bombay and Delhi is serving a lot of wine with the other culture. Calcutta is still back to the wine culture. We still try to improve, and this is the time we actually recall the expert mixologists, expert brand development managers. When you can develop a brand, you can take a general brand and you can make that particular brand famous in the industry. So that's because you need to know about the brand and you need to present and teach these things to the consumer and the कि आप एक कोई भी एक बॉटल उठा लिया, what is like जो gin. So इसके बारे में you have to take thorough knowledge first, then you have to give this knowledge to the hotel industry and consumer. Then only people get interested. हाँ यार थोड़ा सा दूसरा. This is the time it's looking offer, and of course we are still doing good now. Like last one couple of years, we have a lot of good mixologists came up in Calcutta. They are doing nationally very good. We are coming up. Definitely, we already give the sign to the national level that Calcutta is not back now. We are coming.
So, who is the leading best for this marketing? Top 5%.
In Calcutta, if you say that the people from Calcutta who is doing good in the bar, cocktail, and advanced cocktail, you can say, I can definitely name a few bars like this bar called Altera, there's a bar called Vision Risoro, there's a bar called Indian, okay, there's a bar called Great, okay, there's a bar called Roots Refinery. So they have been definitely good in their segment for a cocktail and all. There's a newly national brand chain came to Kolkata called Social. They're also doing good in Calcutta. So that's a quite famous brand in Calcutta. They are ruling the top 10.
So why is what helped to the things rising so much? Is the new generation coming in definitely.
Yes, now
More aware.
we found that a lot of new people came up in the industry. Definitely, we had just last week we had a competition through a liquor brand. So we got a lot of new faces came up. We are really happy because we have a bartenders community in the East Zone. So I'm one of the admin member of that. So head of the admin. So even we checked that we are really happy that a lot of new faces came up. They are showing interest, and we want a lot of people. A lot of people will come. We have a lot of opportunity. We are creating opportunity in Kolkata. Our community, like bartenders community, is doing a lot of good events for the new bartenders, new generations, young generation for training and all. So we have opportunity. We are doing something.
Before going to your brands, one specific question is that hotel management and this segment, other segments, was not considered to be number one priority as a career. So, what your suggestion about that? How satisfied is this hotel management hospitality industry as a career? And what will be your message for the students who are looking for career options and taking this career henceforth?
See, this hotel management, of course, the hospitality management is definitely a very charming and disciplined industry. We always follow. It's not only in India. Out of India also there's a lot of opportunity. People are going to cruise and land. They're walking a very reputed cruise in the world. They're walking in the different countries, land and all. And opportunities throughout the year is open. If you have to open up your opportunity, of course, then hard work is needed for this industry. We always, every industry needs a hard work and every industry needs your way to go. But this industry will give you something which the other industry will not give, which is the communication to meet people. Those who love to talk with the guests, love to meet with the different people, love to grow very fast. This is the industry you have to choose.
Like going fast, I can readily take your example. With the researching.
It's not far, but definitely, of course, I'm still into the learning stage. Every day.
That's a very humble way of saying it.
So,
But definitely, yesterday I was reading an article from Fisher, which showing that there's new 50 million jobs will be created in hospitality industry, and it's in the onward, which is a huge option.
Sure.
And definitely bartending and mixology will play a role.
Isn't highlighted key for the area is open up now.
So now for any fresher, want to take up F&B service, want to take up bartending, what things you need to calculate about him where he or she is in the student phase? What the things, basics he should start learning so that he can easily move into the groove of the demand when he moves into the industry?
Yeah. So starting off, like the freshers, those who have just passed out, or those who have already done the second year, third year, you have ample of time to spend a month, maybe 1.5 months for as a IT or JT, you can say. जितना भी कलकत्ता से बिलोंग्स करता है तो you can always try कि कोई बार में जाके मैं 1 महीना के लिए काम कर लूँ, so that you can know the basics, what is the basic work, and you can always that is the only way to get into the industry first. कि आप उसके देखो कि what is the bar actually, because till that time you are not present inside the bar, you are not feel, you are not get that kind of rhythm inside you कि हाँ bar क्या है. Bar is not that only having that. खाली जाके दारू पीना है, बैठना है, मौज मस्ती करना.
That's the old concept.
That's old concept. Actually, that's the old concept के मतलब होता है कभी-कभी मीडिया का फैमिली जहाँ से हम लोग बिलोंग करते हैं, अगर आपको बोलते हैं कि बाहर में काम करना है, से करे तो of course मम्मी also got खाना कैसे बाहर में चलेगा. It was happened with me also. It's quite regular things कि हम कैसे तुमने दारू को choose कर लिया, and nobody in the family does even alcohol. कैसे तुम इसको लेके. So first things first, that you have to be टाइम निकल के कोई बार में 1 महीना के लिए आप ट्रेनिंग करो. There's a lot of bar want training nowadays. So एक ट्रेनिंग करो. पहला ट्रेनिंग के बाद if you feel really interested, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, you grow with this. Then you take the second step. You apply for a bar back or training bartender job in different bar. So they can connect to the Kolkata bartenders community also. We always support the training, support the fresher from the industry. always search job for them. Okay, or only same they take either may you can take them training and all these things. We all the same way to the different places. So this is the first step you need to be know about the beverage and bar part.
This is for the student. Now you highlight one point which parents about the taboo about this. ये जो taboo carry करते हैं, आप उसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे और career opportunity के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे to the parents?
See, taboo is carrying for every different place. Till the time you are not making your student, son or daughter as an engineer, sitting in the computer and doing that, you can do that of course. But in this industry, आपने सोच लिया कि इंडस्ट्री में जाना है, उसके बाद if you again you are poking your children that कि नहीं इंडस्ट्री में जाना है लेकिन ये जगह में जाना नहीं, वो जगह में जाना नहीं. It's rather choosing yourself. Let them choose because end of the day they need to make their career. Or in this there is a bracket of this. Of course, the students, those who choose alcohol, they need to make themselves कि हाँ मैं alcohol choose कर रहा हूँ मेरा career के लिए. It's not that to have alcohol every day. Even when you are walking in the bar, it's not that for the information, for your information everybody. That ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बार में काम करता हूँ तो मैं everyday दारू पीता हूँ. It's not easily available for me. Trust me, because in each and every email I have to give the calculation to the management, and the management give that particular calculation to the central excise. That's the law. So even end of the bar, end of the day, when you throughout the day walking the bar, आपके पास अगर 10 बॉटल का सेल है सिस्टम में तो 10 बॉटल का 10 बॉटल into 750 ml आपको 7,500 का लीटर का हिसाब देना है कि कहाँ पे क्या कैसे. So it's not that I'm having alcohol, right? So it's not that you are walking in the restaurant and having tandoori chicken daily. Not possible at all, right? So So and of course for the parents, definitely this is the opportunity to tell your son or daughter to go. There is a very open space to learn and very open space to grow. It's not that I'm telling you after become a bartender from the mixologist to the bar manager, you always choose a brand of a company to work for, like I'm working right now, brand head of the company. You always choose one brand, maybe a brand of a brand ambassador of a particular brand.
Also, sir will also agree with me. ये सबको पता है कि हाँ बार में जैसे बोला बार में every is counted. ऐसे बहुत से bartender हैं जो कि
right
नहीं करते.
Right.
They choose these other professions because they're passionate about the liquor.
Right. So I'm telling you, when somebody choose a profession to become a chef, so every chef is not having a pork or beef, right? So even the seafood also.
Right.
So they have their own palate to choose, but they cook everything.
Right.
This is a profession. They cook everything.
Right.
So that particular criteria you have to meet. It is not that I'm working and I have to have. It's not that. It's not mandatory.
So now it's time to talk your brands. So a lot of brands. It's already full. I don't know what 120 brand will come represented.
So
really confusing.
I'm talking about like my present job. I'm working for a company called Carson Enterprise LLP, which is a 45 years old company in the West Bengal market. They are the first one who started liquor distributing part, the imported liquor distributing part in Kolkata West Bengal market. So presently, the management, the high management, Mr. Sarath Kumar Parson, the owning body, and Mr. R.K. Parson, the owning body, they are managing this company from long, 45 years before, and I from starting of my career, I always observe them, I always follow them, what they're doing. It is a great opportunity for me, the same company, the same person when I'm following before 15 years, I'm working for him now. It's definitely great for me. And we have around 120 brands to work for. We are the liquor distributors. We got 120 different brands from the different part of the country. So we have here around 50 different brands, around 30 different brands. So there's a versatile way to learn. There's a different. There's no stopping. आज मैं इसको लेकर पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ, कल इसको लेकर पढ़ाई कर रहा हूँ. आज मैं इनको लेकर ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ, कल उनको लेकर ट्रेनिंग कर रहा हूँ. So as soon as I get the opportunity to train somebody with this brand, I got the reverse opportunity to learn something about that. आज मेरे को अगर अमृत या पॉइजन लेके ट्रेनिंग किसी को देना है तो उससे पहले मेरे को एक बार तो पढ़ लेना है. I know, but still to learn again और एक बार मेरे को रिवाइज कर लेना. So this is again a reverse opportunity to learn something. So this is a big company to work for. I mean, for me, even a versatile brand to work for. Different famous brand in the India and the national level, international level, I'm working for right now. So out of that, yesterday I got the news that Amul got the best single malt award even yesterday. That's yesterday news. So that's again a big proud moment for me that I'm associated with this brand. So that's me for now.
Without being biased to any brand, any particular thing you like to highlight, or some interesting facts about any brand, any other things about the brand?
No, so there is a lot of brands. Starting from left, there's a wine, there's a flavor whiskey, the tequila, all the Indian single malt. Macros is the brand, and out of all this, Amrut is Indian single malt awarded. So I always prefer to learn and to grow with the wine. So definitely the brand will Andhras, which is very famous nowadays in India. It's a Chilean wine. So people, even in the India, even in the Calcutta, people take this wine nowadays. Very good in the Calcutta palate. And this is the brand that I found for Andhras, my favorite brand to work. I'm always happy to be training about the Andhras part.
So, any history about this?
There's no strong history behind this particular Andhras, of course, the Chilean wine. The brand, another called beef from Bordeaux, is basically from Bordeaux region of France. This is we newly introduced in the Calcutta market. This is a French brand, of course. So we are. This is also become famous now in the Calcutta, Bordeaux Valley in France. So these are the strong story, because if you start telling stories, we'll be going deep.
But still interesting that Chile is contributing
a lot of good
because now generally wine is from European.
Yes. A lot of things. Even I'm telling you that the grape is there. Cabernet is a rare grape now, which is basically from Bordeaux family, but it's growing in the Chile right now, and that became a national grape of the Chile, different grape. So this small definitely there's a twist and trace and stories is there.
How the next generally how India is doing as a wine and liquor.
Growing up. Last couple of years it's really growing up. It's not that it's a huge margin of the wine or a huge flowing of the wine, but of course people are more into the wine. There's a lot of different event going on based on wine, like you said, a wine dinner paired with the food and all. Wine courses going on, different courses wine going on. People are another chance for the F&B, for the bartenders, to grow with the wine. There is a course called WSET. WSET is a course only based on focus on the wine. So WSET 1, 2, 3 is level 1, level 2, level 3. It's very important. If you do by the side WSET wine, WSET 1, WSET 2. It's a wine course, so there's a high level of chance to become a wine sommelier. And there's a high demand in every 5-star hotel for a wine sommelier. Every 5-star hotel is looking for a wine sommelier nowadays. Every 5-star. Because they are keeping the higher level of wine, so they need somebody who can explain the wine to the table. So chances is very high to wine sommelier. One can definitely, the salary is definitely the level of the wine sommelier is very rare, very knowledgeable. Yeah, that's definitely an interesting segment. WSET is a very important course. Those who are watching, please note it down. WSET. WSET is very important course for a wine.
The interesting things. I cannot go in deep because the whole podcast will be
we have a huge brand to talk about, so that don't go deeper. So it's good that you can watch, and definitely.
So taking this to the end. Sir Jani is definitely interesting, definitely inspiring, and lot of take-home messages. Student लोगों के लिए तो बहुत सारे messages हैं, but final from the being in the end, final 2-3 messages you like to convey to the students of the present generation.
Yeah. So for me, one very regular terms I'm using for my training from all the people who are consumer students. I generally take classes for 4-5 institutes in Calcutta. So everybody we know there is a term called KYC, which is happening in every brand, right? Know your customer. So what is know your customer? To know your data basically, to know the bank, Aadhaar number, that you are still alive and you sign. So that's the KYC part. I follow a little bit different on that. It's a KYP. So KYP, wherever you are, whatever you are work for, so know your product. So that's the most important part. You work for a alcohol company, or you're working for a sweet shop, you're working for a food company, anything you work for any instruments and all the things. Know your product deeper, which is most important part. You know, for a life journey, whatever you are seeing today. आज मेरे को लग रहा है कि कोई bottle मेरे को देखना है मेरा नया bottle. The first thing first, I always start studying, reading level from the corner to corner कि ये क्या है, कहाँ से है, और इसका प्रोडक्शन कहाँ पे है, एंड व्हाट इज दिस इनसाइड ऑफ अबाउट. और अगर लेवल में कोई भी लेवल में अगर कोई लग रहा है कि ये लेवल में कुछ डिफरेंट टर्म मिल रहा है, सो आई नोट डाउन द टर्म एंड फाइंड आउट कि ये क्या है एक्चुअली. ऐसा नहीं कि आई नो एवरीथिंग. Today also I'm sitting here, I don't know anything. Lot of things I don't know. I know maybe at 30% of the beverage industry, maybe 30% after 16 years. 70% I want to learn. Still I want to learn. But that's the most important part. आपको जो मिल रहा है, जहाँ पे मिल रहा है, घर में भी आपके पास सॉस का बॉटल है. Try to learn कि आप जो सॉस खा रहे हो वो क्या है, उसके अंदर में क्या है, which company is providing that, and what is the ingredients they're using in the sauce. If you're using a vinegar in the home, what company vinegar it is? Search that particular company, what that company is coming from. So they are making a vinegar, which water they're using. So this is most important part. If you are having a sugar, so what kind of sugar you are having? So if you have some disease in your body, try to find out inside that disease what is that actually. If you are having headache, why the headache is coming? So this I follow. This is, it's not that in everybody, it's not mandatory to follow, but I follow to go deep down on it. एक चीज लो, उसका अंदर में जाओ कि क्या है, फिर सेकंड चीज. So that जो एक चीज मैं देख लूंगा, उसको बाद में फिर देखने का मौका नहीं मिले कि आज मैं ये देख लिया, फिर मेरे को कोई पूछा कि भाई तुमने क्या देखा था, हम बोला फिर रुको मैं पूछता हूँ क्या देखा था. ऐसा नहीं. एक चीज का अगर मैं तुम डीप में चला जाओगे, वो अंदर में बैठ जाएगा, फिर वो कभी भी पूछे, कोई भी पूछे, nobody, I will not forget. So that was main motto I'm just going to tell them, and of course knowledge and your focus. कुछ भी यार, front office हो गया, housekeeping हो गया, बार हो गया, service हो गया. Your focus should be there कि मेरे को अगर जाना है, इसको लेके आगे जाना है, तो what is the deep meaning? That's I always I request everyone to follow that, of course.
Three things which definitely will take of this deep focus, knowledge, and your dedication.
Yeah, dedication.
Thank you so much, sir. Excellent. And I personally don't want this podcast to end. I want to go beyond, but somehow the time criteria is a factor because there's lot many things to learn, and it could just go beyond 12 hours. I can barely just say the focus,
yes,
but time is a constraint. So thank you so much for coming to our podcast. It's an honor to have you and getting this inside knowledge about the bartending industry and how to start this business. So अगर आप इस तरह के और पॉडकास्ट चाहते हैं तो काइंडली सब्सक्राइब कीजिए हमारे चैनल को, और अपना कोई सजेशन देना चाहते हैं तो काइंडली आप अपना सजेशन मैसेज बॉक्स में छोड़ सकते हैं. Thank you once again for being on our podcast. Thank you so much.